Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you are fine and safe. Today we are going to discuss novel and our concerned chapter is chapter number 22 by the name of Fix Furthers the Interest of Folk Who Conquers Adversity. Adversity mean misfortune and conquers mean victor or victory. Furthers mean here promote. Fix promotes the interest of folk, or he exceeds the increases the interest of folk who conquers adversity. Conquers mean victor, or he was going to overcome the adversity. Adversity mean misfortune. Here some important statements and some important lines or sentences of the chapter are: Felix was 20 hours behind and Passepartout was cursing himself for this because did you remember that in the previous chapter you learned or you listened that Passepartout was inside or was in favor of Fix and he was against his master Felix Fogg and he was creating obstacles in the path of Fogg. At this moment, Fix approached Mr. Fogg and asked, Sir, is it absolutely necessary that you should be in New York on 11th before 9 o'clock in evening to board the steamer that leaves for Liverpool? Steamer is a ship. Here the word steamer is used for ship. It is absolutely necessary. Do you want to make up the loss? Asked Fix. Fix asking these from his master that do you want to make up the loss? On foot, asked Mr. Fogg. No, on a sledge, replied Fix. Here the meaning of sledge is. Here Mr. Fogg is asking from Fix that did you mean we will move on foot? No, on a sledge, replied Fix. Fix is replying to his master that not on foot but we will move on sledge, and sledge is used for transport. On a sledge with sails, we will put sails on the sledge. A man has proposed this method to me. Fogg went to that man and began to examine the vehicle or transport. It was framed on two long beams, little raised in front. Here you have to understand that Fogg or there is the description about sledge. The sledge was consist on a frame with two long beams, little raised in front, on which there was room for 5 or 6 persons. The frame had a high mast held up by metallic lashings to which a large sail was attached. The mast is a pole on which the sail is lying or on which the sail is carrying, held by the metallic lashings to which a large sail was attached. Behind there was a rudder to guide the vehicle. Rudder is an instrument by which a ship is steers. During winter, people use this for rapid journey across the frozen plains or lands from one station to another. Mr. Fogg readily made a bargain with the owner, Mudge, who was confident Mudge was the name of the owner. Bargain mean contract with the owner Mudge, who was confident of transporting them in a few hours to Omaha. At 8 o'clock the sledge was ready to start. Mr. Fogg and his companions wrapped them in the blankets because it was too cold and took their seats, and sledge slid over. Slid here is the second form of slide. Slid over with a speed of 40 miles an hour. 5 hours later, Mudge stopped and pointing to a mass of roofs white with snow in the distance, said, We have arrived on our destination. Mr. Fogg rewarded him generously, and they boarded the train from Omaha station and reached to the Chicago at 4 in the evening on the 10th. So here we learned that Mudge arrived, or Mudge take them or took them their final destination or their destination at time. So then he was rewarded by Mr. Fogg. Mr. Fogg boarded next train for New York. At last Hudson River came into view, and at 11:15 on the 11th they were at station to board the China for Liverpool. Here the China is not the name of the country, but it was used for the steamer or a ship. But China had left unfortunately because they were late somehow, and China, or we can say as the steamer or ship had left unfortunately, the China is the name of a ship or a steamer.